This is my daughter's iPad, and as you people can see, it is in pretty bad shape. If you take it to a place to repair it, they want like almost $200. I've been quoted 150, 160, 175. To go buy a brand new one is like 300. I would assume buying a used one or open box would probably be like 250. So that's too much. I ordered this. This is from Amazon. This is a screen repair kit. Now, it's probably not identical to Apple, but the reviews I've read on the website, on the Amazon listing, showed that everyone seems to be happy with it. There was a few people complaining like their iPad won't power on and stuff like that. I'm gonna count that as user error because most of the reviews show everything working fine. So let's dive in and see if we could fix this.
Do this, but if you don't have one,
It's a little worrisome seeing all this stuff. We have our screen.
the iDoc UK video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the screen and also the
This is really scary. This is so weird. Taylor! Come here! I'm scared. Could you open the door? I'm scared to test it out. You test it. I'm scared.
I know he already tested it. He's lying us. He's lying.
The blue is the screen plastic.
Oh,
How does it look?
it looks good. Thank you, Tati. So satisfying.
Voila! It's been a few days since I've repaired my daughter's iPad. Everything seems to be working perfectly fine, no issues. Total time exactly is 1 hour, 10 minutes, and some change. So, would I recommend you fix an iPad instead of giving a store over $150 to fix it? Yeah. The kit I ordered on Amazon comes with everything you need in the box. As long as you don't need the LCD itself replaced, if you just need to replace the glass, which is what happened in our case, yeah, highly recommend. $30 and an hour and 10 minutes out of your time is a lot better than spending time driving to a store, signing papers, doing the transaction, then leaving the iPad there for God knows how long until they fix all the other orders they have in stock, then getting back in the car, going back to pick it up. Yeah, with Amazon Prime, the screen came the next day after I ordered it. So highly recommend going this route. I'll leave links to the videos that I watched during the repair. I followed them on screen, whatever they was doing, I just copied them. As someone who's never repaired an iPad before, it was easy to do, just a little bit scary, I'm being honest. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed a dad fixing his child's iPad.